Today we're going to be talking about how to change wireless alarm sensors. Why pay a technician when you can do it yourself and save yourself a lot of money? All you're going to need is a CR123 lithium battery and a couple minutes of your time. In this first example, I have a wireless motion sensor that needs a new battery. On the back of it, there's a retaining clip. I'm just going to pull that back and pop it open. With the battery exposed, I'm just going to pull it out, put my new battery in there, and there you go. At the bottom, put the clips in, and pop it back into place, and you're all done. Now, let me show you an example in the field. Come on. Press the button on the side, flips open, pull out your battery, take your new battery, put it back in, the latch is in the back, fold forward and press until it clicks, and you're done. So now, I've empowered you with the knowledge to change your own battery on your sensors. Please don't forget me, comment, like, subscribe, or share, and remember to tune in, charge up, or you just might be left in the dark.